Welcome to the Oxrank crypto and stock analysis tool. We are actually going to be adding updates for the vehicle and the housing markets as well. So this is the main screen. You just go to oxrank.com. Again, there's going to be two additional websites you can use later on. Those domains have been purchased for cryptoanalysistool.com and cryptoanalyzertool.com. But again, the simplest way is to just go to oxrank.com and then you can click on register a new membership. And again, if you have any trouble, you need any help, right here is the email address as well with the tool. So once you register, it will actually ask you to confirm that email address. So you will go to your email box, you will confirm the email address, and then you will come back into the tool. You'll type in your email address and then the password you created. You can even hit the remember me button and then click and sign in. Again, once you click and sign in, it will take you into the analysis tool. So over here to the left side, if you scroll over, you'll have the home, portfolio, watch list, and earnings calendar, and all of your recently viewed cryptocurrencies, stocks, ETF, mutual funds, and so on. So again, this is a real-time update, a scrolling menu bar up here. So this banner up here is actually showing you the top stocks and cryptocurrencies. Again, this actually updates in real time with the best possible picks. So this isn't just a dumb banner. It will actually tell you which stocks and cryptocurrencies are the best bets just based on sentiment. So right now, based on sentiment, Nvidia, AMD, Bitcoin, Google, Ripple, Solana, right? And this will change, Amazon. And again, as we just go through the earnings report, it will pull data from the earnings reports, from this quarter, from the last quarter, from what's happening with the crypto market, who's buying it, who's selling it. And again, so this was really a very, very smart banner up here. Also, you will see your top viewed cryptocurrencies up here as well. And you can click on more info and go into it. So if you click on more info right here, it will actually take you to Tesla. You'll be able to find out about the company, what's going on. You can click on any of these, like earnings per share. It will actually expand. You can see it from 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, and you can track exactly what's happening from quarter to quarter. On top of that, you can see all of the insider transactions, all the latest news related to Tesla. So again, every single page here, when you click on that specific asset, is going to be tailored to it, and it's going to use smart analysis to figure out what to show you. So it's not just putting out anything out there. You can add this then up here with these buttons to your portfolio, to your watch list. So very, very unique. Again, if you go back to home and you take a look at, let's say, Bitcoin over here, you can click on more info as well. And you will also have a full chart on what's going on. You can see the price movements. You can see the latest news. Lots of actually brand new features coming. Over here, you'll see a portfolio diversification at home. And this is your crypto fear and greed index. And this is your stock market fear and greed index, which are completely separate. So you can see right now, the crypto market is not really afraid. They're heading from neutral to possibly even greed, where the stock market is still in fear mode. So this really tells you if you're taking some really big, I'd say, gains in cryptocurrencies, maybe sell off some of that and move it to the stock market, because the crypto market typically is somewhere between 3 to 5 times more volatile. So this actually is very, very important to keep track of your portfolio. Over here, you can actually add portfolios. You can delete portfolios. So let me go through that. If you switch over here, again, in this little search bar, you can type in any cryptocurrency, any ETF, any stock. So very, very cool. Now, again, if you click on portfolio, you can add as many portfolios as you want. So I have a $3,000, $30,000, and $200,000 portfolio. So let's just click on the $200,000 portfolio. You can see all of your holdings. You can see your values over here. You can see the holding types, your gains and losses based on every single crypto and stocks. And, you can even click on individual companies like AMD over here. You can load that up. You can find out what's going on with revenue, earnings per share. You can expand all of that. So it gives you all the data you will ever need, including insider transactions for that specific investment. Now, if you click on watch list over here on the left side, it will take you to a watch list you created. So let's just say you create a crypto watch list. Again, this is very, very cool because you can always set specific stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, anything you like that you don't have in your portfolio, but you want to keep an eye on. And you can even set alerts as to when to be notified, when to buy, when it goes under a certain threshold. So lots of amazing features over here, but the really cool one here is the earnings calendar, because the stock and crypto market, everything's affected by company earnings. So you can see in real time updates from every company. You can even click up here and show the unexpected. So if we take a look at today, today's April 30th, you can see all the companies that have been reporting. You can scroll down. You can find the company in particular you're looking at. This will show you the before market, during market, and after market earnings reports. So lots and lots of companies. You can pick one and you can find out exactly what they reported. So over here you have Lego, you have Lego, you have you have Meta, for example. So let's click on Meta, and you will see exactly how well they did, what their EPS was, what they reported. And again, so as it updates in real time, you will see the full data be filled in here. And then again, you can add that to your portfolio. You can view every single other ones. You can incorporate it. A very, very cool tool. Also, we're getting artificial intelligence, AI features, predictive analysis. There's a lot of awesome things here. Again, if you are interested, let me put it up on the screen again for those of you. So you're just going to go to www.oxrank.com. And again, it was a limited time offer for how many spaces we have if we are interested. Opportunity of a lifetime truly here, because we really want to build a small community here. So once those spots are filled up, we are closing the analysis tool. I don't want to overload the website, and I don't want to have too many people. Another really cool feature, if let me refresh this. If you take a look over here on the left side, you will have a full community chat option that's going to be added on in the coming weeks. So you can talk to the full community, and you can talk to them specifically on your investments. So if you want to talk specifically on Ripple or Tesla, you can go to that exact specific community. Amazing features. We're looking at about 2 to 3 full feature updates coming every single month over the next 24 months. So it's a very, very cool analysis tool. Again, join us before we close up, and thank you for watching. Take care.